Ever wonder why that simple coffee stamp card works so well? It's a feeling every customer knows, that itch to finish what they've started. But what if I told you it wasn't just about the free coffee? It's actually a powerful psychological principle. And for business owners, understanding it is the key to turning casual visitors into loyal, regular customers. You see, studies in behavioral economics have proven it. It's called the goal gradient effect. Customers actually accelerate their purchases as they get closer to a reward. The human brain tends to resist leaving tasks unfinished. It's the same reason you feel compelled to finish a video game level or complete a fitness streak. An unfinished stamp card creates a subtle, nagging tension. And the easiest way to resolve it? Returning to your shop. So you're not just offering a reward, you're tapping into a fundamental human drive to achieve a goal. The real question is, are you using this to your advantage? This is where One Cup digital loyalty cards changes the game. We take this proven psychology and supercharge it for the modern world. Don't miss opportunities to increase revenue. Leverage psychological principles to foster enduring customer loyalty.